Alright, so for today's design, I decided to go with a really minimal Mk1 Austin Mini Cooper. And it was driven by the size of these Hot Wheels Real Riders. So, it's quite large, actually. So, a real Hot Wheels is using smaller wheels, it seems, than this one. This is actually dimensionally, this is based off of a real Mini. But to work around these tires, 67 millimeters in length. I think these are the 10 millimeter. Yeah, they're 11 millimeter tires. As you can see, it's also kind of crooked. So I'm kind of learning this wall thickness is too thin for a body this big. I should have made everything thicker. There was actually a few pull marks as those stretching on the print bed, the 3D resin print bed. I use an Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra. So the minimal design, I just have the signature door hinges sticking out, but obviously no windows, no door panel cuts or anything like that. And then those slot shaped taillights are actually recessed, and then again no windows. And then the old mustache grill, no bumper of course, the turn signals and the headlights. So, and then this like mint green kind of color, and I had to mask off the roof to paint that white. So I mean, it's very minimal looking, but I feel like I wasn't happy with it. First, the size is just huge. And then I feel like too much detail here. So I decided to go back, change the file, and shrink it down to 1/64 scale. This time I actually 3D printed my own mini light wheels, but instead of spokes, they're just scooped out slots. So those represent the spokes. The tire and the wheel are the same part. And this time the door hinges are actually recessed. But for some reason, that one turned out bigger than that one. I don't know why. It's supposed to be the same size. It's a printer. It's stretched, I guess, maybe here. Still kept the recessed taillight areas, and now I lost the turn signals and just have the headlights and the grill. But I added some jewel beads since I had them, and then I still had to mask off the roof to paint that white. So now this is dimensionally 1/64 scale, where this is dimensioned off of the tire of the Hot Wheels. Right, big difference. Right, that's a huge difference. So for reference, actually, let me get some other vehicles. Alright, so for reference, here's the Hot Wheels Mk1, and I 3D printed. No, actually, these wheels came from some other model. I don't remember what, but I repainted them silver. Okay, so yeah, Hot Wheels is smaller, but it's much bigger than 1/64. So here's a green light of I assume this is 1/64 scale, because it's actually quite similar in size to what I made off of the dimensions of the real car. I am curious, which do you guys like the most? I assume the majority of collectors are in the early stages of collecting where you want realistic looking models. It would be that. Or possibly you don't care about realism, you want to run down Hot Wheels tracks, so that would be that. But I've collected over 1,000 realistic car models now, so I'm going back to the basics, very basic. So I'm really inspired by Play Forever and Candy Lab toys with their minimal designs. There's something cool about it, I think. It's nice to have realistic stuff, don't get me wrong. If someone puts out a resin 1/64 scale mini, I'll buy it for sure. But right now they're all die cast. Okay, well anyways, if you like this kind of stuff, let me know. I guess honestly it doesn't matter. I'm gonna continue to design my own cars and toys, just because I've collected all the realistic cars I want. There just aren't that many more to buy anymore, so I figured I'd just start making my own of things that I do want. Alright, well thanks for watching everyone. We'll see you next time.